Hey everyone, in this video today I'm going to show you how to wire 4 12-volt batteries in series. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it helps when you write it down directly on the battery itself because it helps in making sure you don't mess up the wiring. So on batteries 1 and 4, that's where the white connector plug is going to come in. So that's why I've written a 4 at the corner of these batteries. There's this video on YouTube that shows how the wiring is supposed to be done. So I'm going to be doing this in practice. So I have 1 and 2 here. And I've written these little 1s here, so we know that those will connect together. Between 2 and 3, I've put that 2 there. Between 3 and 4, I put 3 there. And then on number 4, I have the 4 here in the edge. So now I've placed this wiring between these two terminals, which I've marked 1. Next, connecting a wire between the terminals that are marked 2. In this SX500 bike, now I have these 3 batteries all set up together. And I have these screws that are holding it down. Next, I put a wire from this number 3 all the way to this number 3 up here. And to make it come full circle, this number 4 down here goes through this white connector plug and up to this number 4 over here. Now we have 48 volts. To zip tie the 4th battery in place, I have these 2 zip ties going through this bracket here. Given the size of the battery, I had to use 2 zip ties around 1 circular line around each battery. So I got 2 there, 2 there. I've also zip tied around the zip ties. So you can see at the top, connecting the 2 zip ties, I have that. 1 around the side, and another one around the other side as well. I've also ridden the bike a bit and pushed this battery in every direction imaginable, and it stayed in place. I'm using the Fast Scooter's throttle and controller, which came from eBay. Controller is tied up here. All the connections were written out just fine, and they plugged in just fine as well. Only other things I had to do were extend the charging port line and do a cutout at the top of the battery box. With everything put all back together, moment of truth, turn the key here, everything turns on. Now just have to twist the grip, and the motor goes. So we are good to go here.